Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to walk you through the process of changing font size in Adobe Express. Whether you are working on a photo or a graphic, adjusting the font size can really make your text stand out. So let's get started. First thing first, open Adobe Express. Open up your project in Adobe Express by clicking on your stuff and choose the project. Make sure you have your project ready to go before you start adjusting the font size. Next, select the text you want to resize. Simply tap on the text box, bring up the editing options. Now look at the font size option in editing toolbar. It is usually located near the font section. Here's where the magic happens. You can now adjust the font size to liking, increase or decrease by clicking on plus or minus sign respectively, or enter a specific size to resize your text. Before finalizing your font size, make sure to take a moment to preview how the text looks with the new size. This way you can make sure it fits perfectly with your project. Once you're happy with the font size, review your project to ensure everything just the way you want it to. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the font size in Adobe Express. That's all for today. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.